have lived 10,000 years, they said. Now they should just let her be. She has a place in our hearts, we say, more as a home than a grave in the sea. She had no choice and now she's lost, we say. So let her rest, let her be. The sweet perfume and the flowers in her dress should be enough to make them see that there's no reason to mistreat or condemn her. So let her rest and let her sleep. Treasured gift in the sea from the heavens, and it's our duty to protect. Our only hope for today and tomorrow is to save her from the hands of death. Like a lady in a pure majesty, will stand to the end. Moruloa, I beg that you will forgive the pain and cruelty of man.